Hey guys, this is George. As you can see, I got a new haircut, but this is not the point of the video. On this video I wanted to do a video review of an iPad app called Tilt to Live HD, Tilt to Live HD. There's also an iPhone or iPod Touch version called Tilt to Live. It costs $3 and comes with 4 game modes, and you can unlock a different game mode with an in-app purchase, which is $1, which unlocks the Viva La Turret game mode and the Viva La Turret weapon. Tilt to Live HD comes with 1 game mode, and you can pay $3 for the other game mode. I think, I don't know if it's $3 or $4, I think. And you can buy the 3 other game modes, and then for another $1 you can buy the Viva La Turret game mode. But the Tilt to Live HD basic app comes free, and it has 1 game mode, which is classic mode, and is very fun, which I'll show you right now. So I'll show you all 5 game modes. I'll show you all the different weapons and how the game works. The game is an accelerometer based game, and you're like an arrow in the middle of the screen, and you have to go tilting your iPad to avoid getting destroyed by red dots, and you have to destroy them by using different weapons that appear on the screen. So let's get to the review, guys. Okay guys, so here I have Tilt to Live HD. I'm going to open it up. It's from onemanleft.com. I'm going to try to make my iPad fit in the screen, because I'm going to have to tilt around the screen, and I want to show you guys, so maybe I'll zoom out a little bit. There we go. So this is the main interface. We have the awards section, which is similar to the leaderboards, which I'll show you later. We have the new game section, where we can start a new game in each different game mode, and it tells you the score you got on each game mode, and it tells you how you want to hold the device. I'll show you that later. Then we have the how to play tutorial, which is pretty basic, and I'll show you guys too. Here we have a few settings, and here you can enter a promo code if you buy the app, or if you, for example, win the giveaway I did for the Viva La Turret game mode, which I posted like a few videos ago. New game. Yep. And then back here we have the awards. So if we press on leaderboards, it will take us directly right here. Let me wait for this to log on. So leaderboards will take you right here, and it tells you the score of each different game mode, and like the #1 player, and where you rank in the high score. So for example, I'm right here, 446, and I have 127 million points on this game mode. Maybe I have a different amount on the others. Then we can view awards. Right here is where you unlock new weapons, so you can see all of these are new weapons I unlocked. And here we have different random awards you can win by playing the game. You can make friends online, you can go to your profile, or you can just return to the game. So let's get to the game. Here we have all 5 different game modes. I'm going to start with the classic one, which you get for free on the Tilt to Live HD version. So here we go. Here we can see my high score, and this is my current score. So as you can see, I'm an arrow on the screen, and I can tilt my iPad around and the arrow moves. And then we have these red dots which are following me, and they're going to try to touch me, and if they touch me, I die. And then we have these different circles on the screen, which I can touch, and they give me they're like weapons. So for example, right there I just used the fire weapon. There I used the, I don't know how to call it, maybe it's called a laser or something like that. Here I got a shield, and there I got an explosion, and I have the electrifying field next to me. So you can see you just have to tilt your iPad around, and that's pretty much it. What you have to do, you have to create cool combos. So you can see down here it's showing me a combo. See, this for example is a weapon I got from Viva La Turret. So if you buy the Viva La Turret expansion, you can use the Viva La Turret weapon on other game modes. So that's a pretty cool feature. And then the red blocks start appearing in different forms and groups and stuff. This is my favorite weapon. I don't know how it's called. It has blades all around you and you can just run them over and it destroys them automatically. I hope I'm getting this on the camera right. So you see the game is very interesting. Right now my score is about 700,000 and I have a combo down here. So whenever my combo finishes I'll get more score, more points. So there you can see that's like a black hole. And right now, for example, it just got very hard. All these dots appeared out of nowhere and I lost. So you can see my score was 1,089,000. So that's the classic mode. It's very fun. I mean, it's like the game which I most play on my iPad. Then we have Code Red, which is like classic, but more red dots appear faster. Gauntlet Evolved, which is not the best one. You have to get green and blue orbs on the screen to get a very high score. We have Frostbite. So first of all, as you can see, we have like a temperature bar down here, and you have to fill the temperature bar by destroying the enemy. So you can see when I destroy the frozen enemies, the bar fills up. And when it fills up, it gives me the fire weapon, so I can use right here. So I'm going to grab it and deploy it. There we go. The point of the game is to try to avoid the frozen dots to reach the bottom of the screen. If they reach the bottom of the screen, they melt and they can start eating me. Pretty hard to focus on the game while you're talking on the camera. So there I got another one. And down there you can see one red dot melted, so it's gonna try to get me. So this is one pretty cool game mode. But my favorites are Classic and Viva la Turret, so those are the ones that I play almost all the time. So there you can see I kinda lost. And there I lost. So now I'm going to show you Viva la Turret. This is another pretty cool game mode. Like I said, this is the app that I mostly use on my iPad because it's very entertaining and it's very addictive. So Viva la Turret, we just have this weapon, which is a turret, and each red dot you destroy converts into like a blue orb, and you have to get these blue orbs so you get a multiplier. So you can see up in the screen it says multiplier times 34. That's what the multiplier does, it multiplies your high score. And there I lost again. But that's just a basic overview of the app. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a very good app. If you have an iPad, I would highly recommend buying it. If you have an iPhone or iPod Touch, you can also try Tilt to Live. So thank you for watching, guys. Remember to comment, rate, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter for real-time updates. Goodbye, guys.